Hello guys and welcome to a new video. This time we'll be talking about the LIN bus of BMW and everything that I've learned during my process of retrofitting the original ambient lighting. So here we have the dashboard trim that has the ambient lighting in it. Mine did not come with this, so I bought a new one from a different BMW. As you can see, if you remove this, this is where the lighting goes. And now we'll be taking a look on what's inside. As you can see, the small one, this goes into the center of your dashboard, right in front of your gear shift knob. And this is the one that goes in the dashboard, the larger trim, the one you saw previously. These two models are identical. And now I'm going to open up one for you so you can see what's inside. It has three little plastic tabs, and you can see there's not much about it. You just remove these three, and there you go, a very small PCB with very few components that I'll be trying to explain to the best of that I can. This little thingy has 4 pins. Okay, let me try and get a zoom on that. Here we go. So we have here negative, positive, you can see they're marked, and the two LIN bus lines. One is LIN bus in, LIN bus out. This is the LED, has a common positive, and the LIN bus controller controls the negative on each color. There's a transistor here for the dimming and the brightness, and a few capacitors to protect the circuit. Let me see if I can try to power this up on the bench, and then you see how it lights up. I'm using a common positive. There you go, the green, red, and blue. I don't have enough voltage for the blue, so I'll turn up my voltage. There you go. You will now see the red and blue. So there's not much more to it. Let me clarify just one thing. Let me stop the video. During my tests, I found out that you can swap these modules around however you like. You don't need to do the readdressing. Also, you can, instead of connecting all the LIN buses in series, as BMW says, you can connect them in parallel. The only thing is that if one of them fails, you won't know which one is it. So if you're doing the retrofit, you can just swap these modules around, buy whichever you want from the internet. They're all the same, they all match all BMWs.